mo?
Si Yeng po.
Yeng. Yeng Villamen. Yeng Villamen, no. Wala tayong Yeng Villamen. Dito po on this side, sino? Okay, si Naxi talaga naman, grabe. Yes, sir. On this side, sino inabangan?
Si Maxi and Maki.
Ah, the Galang sister. Ah, no. Okay, si Naxi talaga naman, grabe. Yes, sir. On this side, sino inabangan?
Si Maxi and Maki.
Ah, the Galang sister. Ah, no. Abangan mo.
Si Yeng po.
Yeng Villamen. Yeng Villamen, no. Wala tayong Yeng Villamen. Dito po on this side, sino?
Nagtatago.
Hey everyone, hello! Welcome to Fumi's stage. My name is Yuno, and I'm Fumi's dog. I'm here today to guide you through 3 special requests from Fumi. Can you help out just a little? Let's go one by one. First, say hi to the person next to you. Look to your right. Give them a big smile and say hi. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi! Now look to your left and do the same. 1, 2, 3. Hello!
perform today. Thank you. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's have fun tonight together, okay? Okay. So, I will perform next song. This is a love song. Actually, I made this song for my girlfriend. Today I want to perform this song. Yeah. Listen.
Wala na yung kanta dyan, tama, patay na siya. Gago. Wala nang kanta sa'yo. Bakit? Tanggal na lang hininga. Ang mga hagol. Hoy, tanga ka sa mga hagol. Hagol. Hagol, lahi niya.
Dancers, we call Fumi Crew. Is it okay? Okay. So, I will introduce at first, Tatai! Yay! She's pure Japanese.
Bossing!
Ano? Ano?
Bossing!
Sorry. So, I have a question. What is your favorite Filipino food? Sushi. Japanese food. Charot, diba? You know charot, diba? Charot. Okay, thank you. Good. Very Filipino. So, what is your favorite Filipino?
Dynamite.
Dynamite. Spicy. I like that.
Thank you po.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, thank you so much. And Mark!
Hi!
Hey!
Kumusta kayo?
So I have a question. Mark, do you have girlfriend?
Girlfriend. Wala.
Wala? So today, you can already talk about there. When you can find girlfriend today.
Siguro?
Okay. And next, Anna. Hey, thank you.
Hello po.
So, I have question. I heard you have pet. Ano? Dog. You have dog. So, what is your dog name? Fumi, ah?
Her name is Peppa.
Peppa. I have dog name. The name is Yuno. Did you see that? Before like my performing, my dog Yuno is introduced, diba? Very good dog, diba? Thank you. And Shogo. Wow, so brown. What happened? So, Shogo, he's pure Japanese.
I'm pure Japanese.
Yes, pure Japanese. So I want to have a question.
Yes.
What is your favorite Filipino word?
Filipino word.
Yeah.
Mahal ko.
Mahal ko?
Magaganda.
Sino maganda?
Lahat.
Oy, very, pora. Hindi, everyone ganda, diba? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So this is my team, Fumi Crew. Thank you.